welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I am going to get some lemongrass in my garden. Last time I made a video of how to make a lemongrass tea with honey and ginger, and one of my subscriber, which is also a close friend of mine in YouTube, A Pinay in Oz. Please check out also her channel, YouTube channel. She lives in New South Wales here in Australia, and she told me that she have problem finding a lemongrass in their area, which I can understand. It costs about, I think here, if you go into the supermarket, it costs about $3 per, about like this big for a lemongrass for just one. So what I'm gonna do today, that is my vlog for the day, because I grow a lot of lemongrass outside. So we're just gonna go and grab some for her, and I am going to post it via post office. So this is what I have. So this is the one, the bottom part, and of course the leaf. And I got more in here. So it's not just this one I'm sending. So I got more in here. See? So what I'm gonna do, I'll just put them all together with what's in here, and I'm just gonna rotate. It's like a very expensive, well, it is a very expensive parcel.
So, my dear,
Yes.
is this for her to plant, or is this for the purpose of using it to cook?
For both. So she can plant this, and of course also for cooking. So she can plant this one. It should grow, because lemongrass is very easy to grow. And of course, to mail it, make sure that it's packed properly, and we're just going to double the bag.
So what people might not know about lemongrass is that it's a natural repellent for mosquitoes.
Yeah,
so
it is.
if you have lemongrass planted around your home, around the front door and the back door, it will repel mosquitoes from coming into your house.
Yep. So we're mailing this to her, and hopefully it would grow. I'm just gonna place there, make sure it's all nicely packed. Just gonna close the box. I got this box perfectly fit for the job, and yeah, just to mail inside Australia. There you go. Look at that. That's beautiful. There you go. A Pinay in Oz. Please check out her YouTube channel, guys. And yes, she lives in New South Wales. She's Filipino like me, and hope she liked my gift for her. I think this might be my New Year's gift for her. I know you might think it's not much, but for her, I'm sure she really liked this one. I'm sure she do appreciate this one, because for us Asian, we really do like lemongrass. Anyway, so we're going to post this. So we are going to post this today. I'm not sure, I might need to put it as express post. That is because it's Wednesday today, and ordinary mailing it take about 3 days, and it's already Wednesday. So I have to do express post just to make sure this will arrive there still nice and fresh. Hi guys, we're back here in the house. I already posted the parcel and it should take only 2 days, and hopefully we'll get there by Friday. It's already Wednesday now, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you will check my other vlogs around here in the far north. I have quite a few of videos around here in the far north Queensland, and also in Brisbane area. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video guys, and if you're new in my channel, I invite you to subscribe into my channel, and that is so that you will receive a notification and so that you don't miss my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.